Single life gets a bad rap sometimes, but there's a whole lot to celebrate. Here are 5 signs you're rocking the single life, along with tips to keep it awesome. Sign 1. Weeknights and weekends are yours to conquer. Fancy a spontaneous movie marathon with popcorn for one? Do it. Craving a solo hike to reconnect with nature? Hit the trails. Embrace the freedom to create a schedule that fuels your passions and interests. Tip: become a master of me time. Being single allows you to prioritize self-care. Take a long bubble bath, indulge in a new hobby, or finally enroll in that pottery class. Schedule activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Sign 2. Your close friends become your rock stars. You celebrate milestones together, pick each other up during challenges, and plan epic adventures. Cherish these bonds and nurture the friendships that bring you joy. Tip: plan epic squad outings. Singlehood allows for flexible planning. Organize weekend getaways, game nights, or themed dinners with your crew. Strengthen your connections and create lasting memories together. Sign 3. You might have a dating app profile as your wingman. Explore different connections, go on exciting dates, and see if there's a spark. Being single allows you to discover what truly matters in a partner. Tip: focus on quality connections. Don't settle for just anyone. Use your dating experiences to learn more about yourself and what you value in a partner. Enjoy the process of getting to know new people. Sign 4. You call the shots. Want to learn a new language? Take a solo trip? Go for it. You make decisions based on your own desires and goals. Embrace the freedom and confidence that comes with being self-sufficient. Tip: travel like a trailblazer. The world is your oyster. Research solo travel destinations, book a weekend getaway, or plan a longer adventure. Explore new cultures, challenge yourself, and create unforgettable experiences. Sign 5. You radiate self-confidence and self-love. Being single allows you to focus on personal growth, discover your passions, and define your own happiness. You don't need someone else to complete you. Tip: keep leveling up. Singlehood is a prime time for self-discovery. Take a class, learn a new skill, or volunteer for a cause you care about. Invest in yourself and keep growing as a person. Remember, being single is a time of opportunity, adventure, and self-love.